Hey everyone! Going to a social event or a party can be very stressful, especially if you don't know how to dance. It could be a wedding, fundraiser, a gala event, corporate party, and especially New Year's Eve.
My name is Beverley Cayton-Tang.
And I'm Robert Tang, and we are your master coaches for this dance crash course, Social Dancing for Absolute Beginners.
Like many of you, I didn't know how to dance either. Mind you, I was 8 years old at the time, but I'm originally from England, and I learned how to do ballroom dancing at, as I said, 8 years of age. And my earliest memory is sitting on the dance floor and watching the world champions of the day do their demonstration and having the dress just sort of skim over my face and just really being enthralled with that. Of course, it was a shiny dress, all lots of sparkles and color, and that really is my earliest memory of my first foray into dancing.
Now for me, I didn't take dancing because of the dress. No, my father and my mother decided to take competitive ballroom dancing. We're originally from Malaysia, and they were going through a very stressful time here in Canada, and they wanted to do something for fun. So my sister and I went to an event to support them in their first competition. So when they were sitting down, my mom turns around and she waves at someone. So I turn around, and who do I see but this vision in blue, shiny crystal. She looked like a princess, and that person was her. Now she was an established champion at the time, a provincial champion, and I was just being mesmerized. In fact, later I became a secret admirer, but that's another story we'll share later on.
All kidding aside, Robert and I are 3-time Canadian and 2-time North American ballroom champions, and representing Canada at 5 World Championships.
We've also appeared on many television shows, like The Marilyn Dennis Show, Dragon's Den, Healthy Gourmet, and Participaction's Get Inspired, Get Moving fitness campaign. As your instructors today, we are going to teach you our dance crash course, Social Dancing for Absolute Beginners. It's a 4-week program where we'll have 3 modules. One of the modules, very, very exciting, teaches you 2 powerful steps that you can apply to any dance music. And then we'll have an online coaching session where we will coach you through different music, as well as, if you feel like sending videos of yourself practicing, we'll give you some tips, tricks, and techniques. So let's get ready. We're going to start your journey learning to dance, ignite your spark,
And your sparkle ladies.
so you can shine on the dance floor and in life.